In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add income in Freshbooks. Whether you're freelancing, running a small business, or just need to keep track of various income streams, Freshbooks is a powerful tool to make your accounting tasks simpler. Adding income correctly ensures that your financial reports are accurate, which is vital for understanding your business's financial health. Once you've successfully logged in, your Freshbooks dashboard will greet you. This is the starting point for all of your financial tracking. From here, navigate to the Payments section, an essential part of managing both your income and expenses. Since our focus is on income outside of the standard invoices, your next step is to locate the Other Income tab. Freshbooks uses this feature to categorize income that doesn't necessarily come from direct client payments or standard invoices. We're talking about things like referral bonuses, interest income, or even unexpected reimbursements. Within the Other Income area, you'll see an option to add new entries. Look for the plus icon, a simple graphical representation for adding more. This feature is designed to make the process of entering various income sources intuitive and straightforward. Go ahead and click this icon to start adding your new income. Remember, details matter when it comes to accounting. The next step is to specify your income source. Whether it's a one-time payment, recurring revenue from a side gig, or something else entirely, properly naming your income source helps keep your records pristine and easy to navigate. Now, let's touch on a topic no one can afford to ignore: taxes. Freshbooks offers the flexibility to specify if your income is taxable and at what rate. Inputting accurate tax information here ensures your financial reports will be ready when tax season rolls around, saving you from potential headaches and discrepancies. Next, we move on to an essential figure: the grand total of your income. This is where you enter the amount you've received. Recording this accurately ensures that your financial overview reflects your true earnings, assisting you in better financial planning and informed decision-making. To finalize your input, look for the check icon next to the grand total field. Clicking this saves the income details to your Freshbooks account, updating your financial records seamlessly. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Always double-check the numbers you enter for accuracy and make sure to regularly update your other income entries. This practice ensures your financial records are continuously up to date, giving you a real-time snapshot of your financial health. And remember, Freshbooks also allows you to edit or delete entries if you ever need to make corrections or updates to your income information. By following these steps, you're not just adding numbers to a system. You're building a robust financial record that supports smarter business decisions. Whether you're looking to expand, save, or simply keep a closer eye on your financial inflow, knowing how to efficiently add and manage your income on Freshbooks is a skill that pays off. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to add income on Freshbooks, making you one step closer to mastering this powerful financial tool. Keeping your income records accurately and meticulously can transform the way you manage your finances, providing clarity, insight, and direction for your business or personal projects. Remember, a strong grasp of your finances paves the way for informed decisions and, ultimately, business growth. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with your questions or for more tips on making the most of Freshbooks.